Do you remember any of your 8th grade science projects? According to Hartle, in the article titled A 100-Year Review, Milestones in the Development of Frozen Desserts, in 2017, ice cream has come a long way since the first snow cone was made. With that said, today I will be demonstrating how to make one of my favorite 8th grade science projects, that is, how to make homemade ice cream in a bag. To start off, I will show you what ingredients you will need and lastly move on to the directions. To start, the ingredients you will need, according to Lena Abraham in the article titled Ice Cream in a Bag, are granulated sugar, half and half, kosher salt or any salt, and pure vanilla extract. You will also need a small Ziploc bag and a bigger bag, and ice. Moving on with the directions, you will first need to grab your small Ziploc bag and you're going to place one cup of half and half inside of your bag. After you put 1 cup of half and half, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, Once you added your 2 tablespoons of sugar, you will need to add your pure vanilla extract, 1 1.5 teaspoons, and once you have that, you will seal your bag. When your bag is sealed, you're going to want to mix all the ingredients inside and after you're done mixing all the ingredients inside, you're going to set it aside. Lastly, grab your bigger bag and you're going to add 3 cups of ice. So I'm just going to add 1 cup first. And then you need 1/3 cup of salt. So you want to pour your salt in your bag. I'm going to be adding more ice in here and then the rest of my salt, just so that it's even. And then you're gonna grab your small bag and place it inside. And once you have that, you're going to seal your bag and you're going to wrap it in something so that your hand doesn't freeze, because it does get cold. And then you're going to shake it. After the 7 minutes have passed, you can remove your bag of ice cream. And this is what it will look like in the bag. You can eat your ice cream straight out of the bag, or you can pour it into another bowl. I like my ice cream soft serve, so I stop right after 7 minutes. But if you like your ice cream thicker, or if you want, you can do it for 10 minutes. And according to an article in ProQuest, different materials are used to obtain the desired taste, texture, consistency, and appearance of the final product. With that said, like I said, if you like your ice cream more soft serve or thicker, you can add it to you can add more time to shake it in the bag, but I like my ice cream like this. To conclude, today I demonstrated how you can make easy at home ice cream with ingredients and directions. Next time you crave ice cream, remember you can make ice cream in your own home.